Hello, my name is Caitlin Dominguez. Here's my photo identification. And today we are dealing with cooking times for rice and oats. This is Lab 4 Food Science. Here are my ingredients. We have here in the back our long grain white rice, our instant white rice, and our brown rice. And we will be comparing the cooking times, taste, texture, and all that jazz between the three of those. And then the same with these two oats here. We have the old-fashioned oats, and then in this tub here we have instant oats. So I'll go ahead and start cooking those and begin to compare them. Thank you. So as you can see, I already completed Lab 1 and went ahead and did the sensory descriptions for it, so we can speed this video right along. So back here we have the instant oats, and then up in the front we have the old-fashioned. On the right we have the the stovetop, and left on the microwave. So the stovetop ones, as you can see, has a lot smaller volume than that of the microwave. The instant oats came out a lot finer than that of the old-fashioned. The instant microwave has a spongier appearance than the remaining three. It came out a little softer than the rest, very bland flavor, and I cooked this one for 1.5 minutes. And if I didn't already say so, this is half cup oats to 1 cup water for all 4 of them. So moving on to our second instant oats, second oats in general. You can see again, the volume is smaller than that of the microwave. It came out a little watery. Since I started this video, the water has actually evaporated a little bit, but initially, before it cooled down, it was a lot watery compared to the rest. Again, flavor was bland, and it took 2.5 minutes to cook. So moving on to our old-fashioned oats. On the left was our microwave. As you can see, for both of them, they resemble oats a lot more than that of the instant. You can kind of see some of the oats that made it. So for appearance-wise, it looks like it has a lot more texture, and it looks actually like oats. Both of them came out very chewy, very nutty. This one, again, reduced in size, and this one came out a lot more volume. The microwave old-fashioned oats took 2.5 minutes to cook, compared to the stovetop, which took 5 minutes. And that concludes our first lab portion today, dealing with oatmeal, and then next we will be doing rice. So I went ahead and completed the second portion of today's lab. This is not all the rice that I ended up with. I only put it in these cups to get a better appearance. So with this over here on the left was my instant rice. I started off with 1 cup of white rice. It didn't call for any water. Ended up with 1 cup of cooked rice, and it took 60 seconds to cook. Not ideal flavor, and it came out very white. Kind of had a plastic taste and left a very bad aftertaste in my mouth. And it doesn't look so fresh, so not my choice here unless I was going for convenience, because again, it only took 1 minute to cook. Over here we have the long grain white rice. A little yellow in appearance, so I'm going to go ahead and say it has a lot more nutrients than that of the white, but not quite as much as the brown. This one is ideal in flavor. It's, it has a little bland, but it tastes like rice. Softer than that of the brown rice, but definitely not as soft as that instant rice. Took 20 minutes to cook, and I ended up with 3 cups out of my 1 cup uncooked. Then moving on to the brown rice. It came out with 4 cups out of my 1 cup. It took 40 minutes to cook. In appearance, it still looks undercooked and still kind of has a grittier texture. Definitely still kind of has that feeling or texture of undercooked, but it has been cooked completely. That's just how brown rice normally is. Flavor-wise, it came out very bold and earthy compared to the white and yellow, or the white and white. And, yeah, again, it wasn't nearly as soft as the other two. Nutrient-wise, I'd go with this one. If it was just a Tuesday, I'd go with this one. But for convenience purposes, instant rice is always there. And that concludes my lab for today. Thank you.